welcome back to the print shack, guys. As you can see, today's not a normal day in my print shack. Everything's in disarray. And the X1 carbon normally over here on the bench, doing some work on that. Got a video coming out on that one. But what's happening today is I got to make changes. 3 of the H2S printers coming in tomorrow. So in order to get them in and powered up, I need to reconfigure the rack. I'm going to end up reconfiguring this rack, moving this one down, and I'm probably going to move this one up a slot. So I get this work done, then I'll be set up for those new printers that are showing up tomorrow. Let me go ahead and get this done. Let me get this started. Now it doesn't slide anymore. When I go to put those printers on there, I don't want it sliding around. I want to deal with the wood moving around. So let's see. This one's off. Hunter's got 7 minutes left. I can move the alley over now. I'll have to wait for Hunter to finish, and then I'll move the other ones over. Let me get started on that. Alright, so the next thing that needs to move over, I used to have the power supply right here. Now the power supply is going to be all the way at the end. I'm going to put the power supply over there first, and then I'll be ready to move Denali over. Alright, so power cords. I ordered some new power cords, some longer ones, because in the original configuration I had power supply here and it was running this one, and then the power supply down there running Hunter and Foraker. Well, now that I'm adding 3 more, I need to run them 3 and 3, which means I'm going to need a longer power cord to run from all the way over the power supply to the printers here. So I've ordered those power cords. They'll be in tomorrow. That doesn't stop me from doing what I need to do today. This is the original power cord. It's only about 4 feet. It'll work for Denali here. Check. Well, that's 1 down, 2 to go. Alright. Not going to work with the cords I got. So, because this one hooked up fine, this one now, the cord is too short to reach to here, let alone this cord. I got a longer cord for the one that's going in here. So what I think I'm going to have to do is move the power supply over 1 bay. And I think that'll solve the problem. And the whole problem comes from the fact that the outlets are on the right side. So when the power supplies were on the right, everything was shorter. Now the power supply is on the left. Need more room. So let me slide this one down, bring the power supply over, move Denali over, move Hunter over, see what we get. Well, that's 2 down, 1 to go. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is the poop chute, and I've detailed this in previous videos, but I love this thing. There's a little cleat on the back that's meant to be a a second extra spool holder. You just slide this right down over there, and that's it. No screws, no glue, no nothing. Great design. Simple as sliding it on. Alright guys, so it's time to power them up, and since I've moved them, I'm going to run full calibration on all three. Get them adjusted, then we'll send some prints to the printers and get them back in production. Let's get it going. Alright, let's get them all calibrated. Settings. Calibration, print calibration, and then we just hit start up here. It'll run through the whole calibration cycle. When it's done, we'll get started printing again. Okay, so they're all running calibration. I think it takes about 30 minutes or so. I'm not going to film through all that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and raise this shelf up one notch. Give me a little more room down below with just adequate clearance on the top. That's going to be the same procedure as I did here, so I probably won't film it. I'll just show you the result when I'm all done. And you'll see that when I go to put in 3 new printers tomorrow. So, let's pause it for now. When the calibration was done, I'll drop back in. Alright, so I'm starting to get things in order here. I've gone ahead and raised this shelf up to the same level as the first one I did, so they're equal. So I'm all ready now for the 3 new printers to come in tomorrow. When they come in, I can get them unboxed, get them up, get them producing. My original 3 printers here, Bamboo Labs, are all up and running. They're all producing again. That's good, because right now I'm producing, basically selling as fast as it comes off the printer, it's going out the door. So, what else have I got for you right now? Oh, I know what I wanted to remind you. I just want to remind everyone that I'm running that promotion for my channel, and you can win some free 3D filament and even a printer. So, if you're interested in that, I've got a link to a video down below. You can click on it. It tells you all about how to join and join the promotion and stuff like that. All those details and rules are all in the video link below. So for now, I think I'm gonna end this one until I get the printers in, and then we'll get them unboxed and installed and ready to go. Starting to produce. I need more inventory. Take it easy, guys. Catch you tomorrow.